Hey folk, how's things? Still working at the house and everything, and at the kids' house. And I decided this time, instead of working inside, we took a break and we started working outside. Um, there was like a big gap. I'd say it was at least this big. It had to have been a good 3.5 inch gap. And this is coming in when you come off the street and you're going into a driveway. You're hitting that going onto the sideway into her driveway, and over the sidewalk, sorry, into her driveway. Um, and that is a huge. I mean, it was a major bump. I mean, you really got to you hit the gas to get over it, and then as you're going over it, your rear end hits it, and kind of you have to get over it. It was rugged. It was pretty rugged. I finally got sick of it, so instead of working in the house, we worked outside, and I went to Home Depot. I got Quikrete asphalt, and it worked excellent, as you'll see in the video. I was pleasantly surprised. It did better than I thought it would. I do recommend it. So I guess we're going to kind of make this a Quikrete asphalt repair and patch review type thing. My opinion, it worked excellent. It really did. If you have a pothole or anything around your house or in your driveway or something that you're sick of and you want to fix it, this stuff works great. So anyways, I do have something planned tomorrow. I already talked to the boy, and he wants to go, my little Grizzly Bear. And I talked to Boski and seeing if he wants to go. And, so maybe I'll have both of them guys. So we do have a plan. It's going to be pretty freaking cool too. Anyways, on to the video, and we'll catch you guys later. Well, all right, folk. I am out here with the Grizzly Bear, and he's helping me out here. This patch was not here. I just put it in. Unfortunately, I forgot to record. But I'll show you over here how bad it was. You can see, basically, that's about a 2.5 inch depth, and it was all the way. And this is my exit driveway, so basically, I got some Quikrete blacktop repair, and we're going to see how that works. So I'm going to finish this up and come back and check you out. Later, folk. Well, alright, folk. Well, here's a finished product. The patch starts right here, goes all the way to the end there. It was very cool. One of the neighbors came out and let me use their tamper, so that came in handy. I was just using a brick and a hammer at first. So now I got some plywood here. I'm going to put that down and then let the vanitarium run over it a couple times and see how it works. And we'll let you know, folk. Done. Ran over it twice. I put plywood down over it twice, and it didn't fall in. It didn't do anything like that. It's actually holding up real good. And what's going to end up happening is the ex has to go shopping in a little while, so I'm going to have to drive over it to let her out, and then she's going to have to drive back in, and she's going to have to drive out. So we are going to find out how this holds up, and that will be the end of showing you what I did and giving it kind of a review, I guess. And we'll check you out then, folk. Later. Well, alright, folk, this is the next day. I have gone over it about 2 times. The ex has gone over it at least 2 times. And this is holding up excellent. And it's actually held up far better than I thought it would. And it looks absolutely fine. Like, I just used, like, down here, some of the rock and dirt that was there, and threw it up there, and it looks like it wasn't even touched. And that, like I said, that was a good, probably at least 3-inch gap that was there. And when you would go over it with the vehicle, I mean, you had a big bump to go over with your front tires, and the back tires, you'd have to put a little oomph into your gas pedal to get over it. It would like hold your back tire up a little bit. But anyways, I'll flip you around for a sec. So alright, folk, I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. Here you go, let's make it official. Thumbs up. What do you say, Caden? Did it come out awesome?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. thumbs up from the boy. Alrighty, so anyways, we're gonna leave it at that. Later, folk. And don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down. Got a pretty cool little fella, little chipmunk. I believe the tree at my ex's neighbor's house. I believe this is a cranberry tree they have right over here. And looks like the little chipmunk fella's sitting there eating, chowing down.